हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम एनालाइज करेंगे अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स को। तो अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स में कुछ ऐसा सीन है। द रिसेंटली स्टॉक इज इन द डाउन ट्रेंड एंड after that it has given a sign of a reversal over here. So you can see this rectangle over here which I have drawn. So that was basically a support region for the stock. You can see over here the stock has consolidated in this region and then given a box breakout with a big bullish candles. So which have this this region have the significance, and this is support region of the stock which is near its point of control. And the second point we have to consider here is that the stock has given a trend line breakout also. So that's the second point. So this stock was on my radar from 25 October. That was in a region of a support, and then it has given a really great volume expansion. You can see over here this 25 October candle, so which has given a volume expansion, and after that the stock was range bound and it has given a 3 to 4 narrow range candles. So what we can expect after narrow range candles, the stock gives the range expansion too. And now what happened, so I have taken the positions in the stock on a 2nd November. That I have recorded the video on 2nd November and uploaded on YouTube, but this is my first YouTube video, and so it was just only uploaded on one quality of 240p. So I have deleted that video, and again today I am recording this video and I am going to upload it today. So this is the point of 2nd November when I have taken the positions. After that stock has rallied to 3 to 4%, and this is the 4th November candle, which doesn't have much significance because it's a Muhurat trading candle, and it was just 1 hour session, so we can neglect this candle, and we will further check on a 5-minute time frame. So what was happening in the stock and why I have selected this stock for a swing trade. So this is the rally that happened on the 3rd November. A stock rallied about 4% on that day. So the stock was near its point of control, and it has shown some price action that bulls are interested in this stock. So this was a first thing that we have to observe, that you can see this candle, a big range expansion candle with great volumes, and again after that see this second candle with volumes higher than the previous candle, but you can see the range of this candle which is this much only, not greater. So what it tells that, so this candle has traded more quantities than this candle, but the sellers were not able to push the price down. So what was happening basically, so whatever the quantities were being traded in this candle are all were getting absorbed by the bulls, and this is the price action that I have watched. And then again when I got the confirmation is on 2nd November. So we can see the 2nd November chart on a 5-minute time frame, that before after the market opening on a 9:15 and 9:20, the two candles you can see, so which are having really great volumes, and there was two big bullish candles, and after that with the lower volumes, you can see the volumes, with the lower volumes the stock price came down. Yeah, with lower volumes the stock price came down, and it goes in the range bound mode for 2 to 3 hours. So we can see here the stock was in a range bound for 2 to 3 hours, and this is the thing which I was waiting for, that you can see over here on the straight line on 4295. So it was a sign that continuously this stock was started to getting absorbed, तो मार्केट से कोई तो बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वांटिटी उठा रहा था. So you can see over here जब भी स्टॉक 4295 के लेवल पे आता था, वहाँ से अगेन अप जाता था। देखिए 1 2 3 4 5, there are 7 to 8 candles which are bounced back from these levels, so which is a sign of absorption. The stock was started getting absorbed, and this stock is having more exposure of FIIs. So there was a lot of activities happening from FIIs, and FIIs were net buyers on this 1st November and day before that 1st November. So FIIs were the net buyers. So I thought that this might rally, and so just quickly check the targets, so where this stock can go on a daily time frame. So this is a trend line breakout, and it might touch its virgin point of control of 4600, or if it holds over there and again give a breakout, then it might reach to the level of 4756. But we will check the targets by using a Fibonacci, which is also used by the many algorithm traders, and which is not, right now which is we can consider as a reliable method to targets. So let me give the targets quickly. So you can also take the targets by using a 50 SMA. If this 50 SMA comes over here, then it can touch that level, and again it might start a downtrend. So let me give the targets quickly. किधर है Fibonacci? Yeah, got. So let me plot Fibonacci. Yeah. So here now the stock has retraced about 38.2%, we can see over here, and it can touch the level of 4582, which we have drawn this range. And again we can see at a retracement of 61.8, which I have told you earlier that 4750. So if this stock comes over here in this region of a 4584 and वॉल्ट्स ओवर देयर, थोड़ी देर यहाँ पे आके रुकता है, थोड़ी सांस लेता है, तो हम कंसिडर कर सकते हैं ये इस लेवल का भी ब्रेकआउट देगा और उससे भी आगे जा सकता है 4738 के आसपास. So if this stock comes over here on level of a 4585, and if it gives some sign of a quick reversal, then we have to book our profits and exit the positions. And if it comes over here and vaults and gives some candles, narrow range candles over here, then we have to sit on our profits and wait to the next targets. So I have taken positions in a 4500 CE of a November expiry, so which I bought around 100, and now it's trading at 150. So I will wait. So let's see what happens on a Monday's session, then we will took any actions. So that's all for today's video. So we will discuss about some another stocks on tomorrow's video. Okay, thank you.